Alright, so in this tutorial we are going to add some corner blocks into here. So first off we got to make them, so I'm just going to go to the application menu, go new, and this is just going to be a part. And in here, this is a really simple part. So we just go create 2D sketch, click on here. We're not going to put all the holes in it and everything, we're just basically making the basic part. So I'm just going to take a 2-point rectangle and click on it, dimension it to 3 inches by 3 inches. So go 3, zoom out here a bit, go 3, and then I'm going to simply take a line and go from corner to corner, and then I'm done. And then I'm going to trim out this part here. Might give me an error right now. Yeah, it does. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to trim out this one. Won't give me an error. So if I trim out this way, oh, it will too. So what we're going to do is just hit escape, delete the dimensions first, and now we can go trim out. So I'll trim that one out, and we'll just put the dimensions back in because it's just 3, so we can modify it if we had to later on by 3. Finish the sketch, and then right away we're just going to extrude it, and it's going to be extruded to 3/4, so 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so there's our part, and let's just double check that did I actually get that extrude right? Yeah, or 0.75. That's kind of looks weird. 0.75. There we go, same thing. All right, so save it. We're going to save it to. Oh, we got to go all the way into my libraries and everything. So you just got to bear with me for a second. Name, masterful documents. Uh-oh, you're going to see me really go through all this. Woodwork 10, and then finally Upholstered Stool. Okay, so and then we're going to save here, and we're just going to call this one corner block. Okay, hit save, and right away, why don't we just add some texture to it? So we're going to have corner block, and then come up to my materials right now, and we'll just go and grab birch, and sure, we'll just use that. I don't know, we'll adjust, see what happens when we adjust this for a different font. So there we go. Yeah, we'll take that as that. All right, hit save again. Now we've got a part made, so I'm going to go back to the full stool, and now we're just going to add things in the corners. I'm actually going to go shaded with edges now. So I just have some edges easier to see. Okay, so place, and we grab our corner block. Click OK. I'm just going to put 4 of them in. Okay, and I'm not going to do all 4 in this video. I'm going to do one of them, and then you can just do the rest. So this guy here obviously is going to go in the corner here. So constrain that surface there is going to go to the surface. Now what it is, we actually did goof here because this part here actually is going to sit a little lower. So what we're going to do, oh, we can modify this later. So this one here is going to adjust to this one, and this is really important to do. And that's the wrong way, so we flip it like this and go apply. And then right away what we're going to do is one of these corners, one of these has to go to here. So I want this one to go over there. So therefore I'm going to click this here, and I click this here, and that's the wrong way, so we're going to flip it. There we go. And we're going to make sure that it's set to 0, and go apply. And then instead of adjusting it to here, because I want it to move down, when I move this part down later on, I want it actually to go down with that. So I'm going to actually take this part, hit cancel. I take this, which is this part here. Okay. And I'm going to right mouse click, and I'm just going to go visibility right now and turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to turn that off, and then I can go back to constrain, and I constrain this one here to here. So mine, for some reason, always likes to do that. So hit apply, cancel, and now you can see that it's in the right spot, and it's joined to this part. So when I move this part around later, it will go with it. So I'm going to go back to visibility. There it is there. Okay, and now all the other parts I'm not going to worry about in this tutorial. I'm going to let you put the 4 corners in, and I'll come back in the next tutorial and show you what to do. And that concludes this tutorial.